how to add phone number on your Discord mobile application. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone. You can always follow the same step on the iOS device as well. As always, if you want to see more contents or tutorials like this, and if you find it helpful, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell button. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your Discord application, and then from the dashboard or the home screen, go to your bottom right or the settings screen. Okay, you'll be presented with the user settings screen. Just choose my account from there under user settings submenu. To actually add your phone, all you need to do is to click this menu, submenu, under the email. So click it and then just add your phone. And then from there, after you finish, just choose next. If your phone number you entered is correct, Discord will send an OTP message to your phone number. And then from there, all you need to do is to enter your OTP code sent as a text to your number. And that's pretty much how you change or add mobile number to your mobile Discord application. If you find this tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like, and also comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate also to put it on the comment section down below. That's the whole tutorial. I hope it helps. Until the next tutorial, YouTube. Bye.